Child-directed speech is the variation of a language a caregiver uses towards a child. The features of child-directed speech are simplified words, simplified grammar structures, repetition of words, higher pitch, an increased volume, and exaggerated intonation. The perception of speech differs from each child. Curtin and Archer state infant speech perception is shaped by experiences. This may suggest that the modified input provided by the caregiver triggers the part of the brain in regards to speech and sound. It has been observed that child-directed speech within the Western world differs from the non-Western world. Bates explores language acquisition and states, in some cultures, parents treat their children as conversational partners. The advantage of treating said child as a conversational partner has two benefits. The first benefit is that the child gains conversational norms in the language they are exposed to. The second advantage may be the ability to begin to distinguish between different phonemes. The ability to distinguish between different phonemes is one that varies between infants that are born in a monolingual environment versus infants that are born in a bilingual environment. A study by Bosch and Sebastian Gueles in 2003 was conducted. The study was conducted on monolinguals and bilinguals to see if they could distinguish between the vowels e and air. The question is, who was more able to distinguish between these phonemes? The infants used within this research were 4 months. The bilingual children had the knowledge of both Spanish and Catalan. They were also tested against monolinguals that knew only Catalan or Spanish. The results of the experiment showed that Spanish monolinguals stopped distinguishing between the phonemes at 8 months. Catalan monolingual infants further continued to distinguish between the phonemes, and the bilingual Catalan and Spanish infants stopped distinguishing at 8 months. However, the discrimination within the bilingual children reoccurred at 12 months. The observations in the bilingual children show a U-shaped behaviour. From this study, it could be argued that the input from the caregiver is beneficial to an infant, as they have the potential to differentiate between phonemes at an early stage.